अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम सबिस्बान है और मैं इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कैंपस का हेड हूँ। और आज मैं एक 9 साल की बच्ची का इंटरव्यू लेने जा रहा हूँ इंग्लिश के अंदर। एंड इसकी इंग्लिश से आप अंदाज़ा लगाएंगे कि इंग्लिश कैसे बोलती है। और ये मतलब यहाँ पर माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छी ट्रेनिंग के साथ इसने अपना डिप्लोमा कंप्लीट किया है, जिसके जो आप लाइव देख सकते हैं।
Sir, may I step in?
Yes, please.
If you don't mind, may I sit?
Yes, why not, please.
Thank you, sir.
Ms. Zunaisha, how are you?
Sir, I'm good.
Very good. May you please introduce?
Yes. I myself Zunaisha and my father is Madhu Hussain Qureshi. I have recently passed G3 from English in Center and I am in class 7 and my mother is a housewife and my father is a manager. This
That's
is all
great.
about
Your
myself.
father is a manager? Okay. Ms. Zunaisha, you are in 7th class at school.
Yes.
That's great. May you please tell me in which school you are studying?
I have recently rejoined my school, that's APS school.
That's great. APS. Well done. Okay, Ms. Zunaisha, it's your interview in Viva as well as. Okay, as you have passed your Journal 3 from English in Apanji Town. So, Ms. Zunaisha, I just want to ask your questions. Okay, the question is that what's your own ideology regarding girls' profession? Means I mean to say that which field and which profession a girl should choose for her career.
Sir, firstly, that there is no any fixed profession that boys will do this profession and girls will do this
That's
profession.
good.
It's according to their choice that if they wanna become a teacher, so they can become. If they wanna become a like doctor, so they can. It's depend upon themselves. So that's why, and I think that a girl should listen herself that what she wanna do. Don't depend on other that if I'll become and if I'll become an army officer, so like my neighbors relative will think that it is the work of boys, why is she doing. So I don't think that there is a fixed profession for it.
That's great. I have another question for you. Ms. Zunaisha, may you please explain me and our viewers that like English language is here? Means may you please tell us that at which age or means which circle we need to study or we need to learn English language? Like in which age a student should learn English?
Okay.
You should tell me about.
Sir, again, that there is no any fixed age for learning English. As I am learning English, so it's beneficial for me because I have completed my diploma in the age of teens. Not if I would learn English in the age of when I will be young. So there would be very much like responsibilities for me. I would not handle them, and I can't I can't manage all the things. Like if I go to center, I'll also go to like work. I also study. So that's why I'm learning English in the in like teens age. And I think that people should learn English in like teens age because it's not very much young and it's not very much like elder. So
That's great. Ms. Sunaisha, impressive. You have given a great answer. Okay, so lastly, I just want to ask you, then after that, we'll say you goodbye. Okay, Ms. Sunaisha, please tell me and as well as our viewers that do you think that after learning English or this means you are speaking English, mashallah, very confidently, so learning English like helps you in your study, in your activities at school or like in your study programs. Does it help you?
okay, sir. As I have told you that I have recently rejoined my school, that's APS, and I
Mhm.
also study in like Cambridge. So there is all like international system. There is only English is spoken, and there is no any word of Urdu there. So that's why it also helps me in my studies, and it also helps me like in my activities. If I go to like anywhere, so if they speak in English, so I can also talk to them easily and confidently. So and if suppose if I go to abroad, so if I don't know their language, like if I go to China, if I don't know the Chinese, so I can also talk to them in English.
That's great. Okay, Miss Zunaisha, you have given a great answers, and maybe possible. So this will be fruitful for our youth or like our youngsters. Okay, means our children as well as means it's June and July, so they can also study or they can also learn English in their summer camp as well as. So it will be beneficial for them. So thank you so much, Ms. Zunaisha, for giving your precious time. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next sessions, and Allah Hafiz.
Thanks.